Hello everybody, today we are doing eggs with the family once again, but this time it's with my grandma, my teta. And this is super simple, literally just eggs, sausage, and salt and pepper. But it is so good. And to clarify, this sausage isn't pork, it is just a beef, it's a beef mixture, I believe, and in Arabic we call it suja, which sounds very similar to sausage, so I guess that's why we're rolling with that. But just to clarify, this is not pork. But what's cool about suja is when you place it into a pan, it immediately expels a lot of oil, and so that oils up your pan for the eggs, and it gives them that nice, like, smoky meat flavor. So yeah, just chop up some suja. And keep in mind that suja, or the ones that we get at least, are a little bit spicy, and that brings in some flavor to the dish as well. So if you are going out and buying something that already has spices in it, this is perfect. If you're going out and buying something, the sausage, that's a bit more bland, you might have to do a little bit more seasoning on your own to get a lot of flavor, I guess. I really like the smoky flavor, so if you can get something smoky, then that would be super good. But yeah, just take 2 eggs, add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then you're going to put that straight in your pot, the sausages. Do not, and I repeat, do not oil up the pan. These guys will oil it up for you. But yeah, this is, I think, one of my favorite things that my grandma makes. My grandma always comes up with new things, if that makes sense. One time, so remember how I think I told you guys in a previous video a long time ago that during our breakfasts we usually eat bread with leban, which is like the tangy yogurt. And one time she mistook it for cream cheese. And so the way we serve leban is we put leban and olive oil on top of it and then scoop it up with the bread. So she had put cream cheese, the oil, and scooping up it with the bread. And at first we were like, oh no, we have to not throw it out, but we're gonna have to, try to get rid of the oil as much as we can. Oh no, we wasted this. However, it turned out to be so good, and from then on, sometimes we will sneak a little cream cheese with oil and bread for breakfast. And I'm not kidding, it sounds weird, I know, but it's really good, and I don't know why. It's just one of those things that you end up discovering. So, when my grandma realized, we could just put the sausage and use the oil to make the eggs and just make this. I know, obviously people have meat with their eggs. We usually don't, so this is the first time we had seen it in our family, someone make this. So it was really awesome, and it was so good, because we're usually pretty, we have pretty consistent breakfasts, so it's nice just to have something new. And once you pour in your eggs, so this is after the sausage had cooked a bit and you had flipped it over for a bit. Once the sausage is cooked and you pour in your eggs, you could just go ahead and cover it and just let it sit. This is all occurring on medium to low heat, by the way, because you don't want the bottom burning. That's basically it. And because you're not going to be flipping it over. But that's about it. We hope you guys enjoy the way my teta makes her eggs and that you guys try it out too. Happy egging. Bye.